process, you guys, what we're doing after we cut our hole out, we're gonna basically make some bridges. So what we like to do is use this little tool called a Sammy. It's a lag bolt that has a 3/8 little feed on the other side that we'll run all thread in. And what we'll do is we'll, remember on the template it had those little holes. That's exactly where you want to put these. There's a little mark on that, and then we'll screw these up in there, and then we'll run some all thread down, and then we hook the cassette in there. We'll show you that here shortly, but right now we're making the 2x4s to make our bridge. So, Jared, I just want to show you, this is what we do. So we'll cut some 2x4s, and then we screw them up and we make a bridge. And then this is basically the tool that or the component that we use next. We'll put basically a nice little lag bolt in there that has a 3/8 thing on there, and we do that in these 4 connections here, here, and on that side as well. But what we do is we use this piece here as our marking point. So they fit up inside the hole perfectly, and you can see how they go right to that mark. So that's how we get that perfect mark every time. So it saves you a little bit of guessing when you're like, okay, I got my bridge up there, where do I put my lag bolt, so, or my all thread? But that's basically what that's all about. So it's kind of a 2-step thing. Get the bridge up first, then mark it with this, and then put these in, drop your all threads back. We'll show you that step here shortly.
Denver here, guys, with Ductless Plus. Another little pro tip for you guys. When you cut your all threads, make sure to chase your thread on the end. So when you go to put them up in there, instead of standing on a ladder going and not being able to get them in, you can get them right up there the first time. Here's the wrench. Let's get on the blooper reel. We'll just edit that out later.
Hey you guys, Jared with Ductless Plus here.
And Denver.
Hit that subscribe button, the like button, smash it, punch it, whatever. You know, we need your guys' support. We're obviously the Mitsubishi experts.
The Ductless boys. We're here to teach you guys how to do it yourself and do it like we do it, because we do it better than everybody else.
That's right. Ductless Plus, we're #1. Hey everybody, it's Jared again, obviously. Denver's putting in the Sammys that we're using. He already got 2 done already. So we use just a standard little socket set and a little extension piece, and then he's gonna show you how they screw in there real fast.
You want to keep these as straight as you can, because this is what your all thread screws into. So if you put them in all wonky and janky, it won't hang straight and you'll be fighting it the whole way.
Just put them in there straight. Straight and level. Don't over tighten them either. If you over tighten them, you will break the lag bolts off. I've seen guys do that a lot.
Viola.
Want to give me some channel locks, and then want to do your side, Denver, and I'll do this side. Let me see those washers. Here's your 2, Denver. These are my 2, and then here's your 2. So the machine comes with insulated washers and non-insulated washers. I like to use the insulated ones and slide them up first, because they get held there like that. So they just kind of hold up. So we'll put them on like that, pretty easy. And then the loose washer we'll put on the bottom right here. Just get rid of that little piece of fuzz. And just, I can't even tighten a nut. Look at that. Oh, it doesn't want to go on there for me. Where's that other nut? Thanks. Just like that. You got the channel locks. Let me borrow your channel lock, Bryant. Yeah, that's perfect. Yep. So when you tighten these, don't tighten them down here where you're going to be using your threads. Do it up top up here, and just simply tighten them in until they stop. You don't want to twist them in, like I said, because you will break the SAMI off. That's it right there. You want to do your sides, Dimmer?
I'm going to.